An automobile moves on a road with a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. The radius of the wheel is 0.45 meters. The speed they are given in terms of kilometers per hour, we need to convert it as a meters per second. That is V is equal to 54 into 5 by 18, which is nothing but 18 one times, 18 three times. That is 3 into 5, 15 meters per second. Then the radius of the wheel is 0.45 meters and the moment of inertia of the wheel about its axis of rotation is 3 kg meter square. If the vehicle is brought to rest in 15 seconds, then the magnitude and the average torque transmitted by its brake to wheel is. Okay. Then here the omega is equal to, that is V divided by R. Then V here is equal to 15 meters per second divided by R is equal to 0.45 meters. Meter will get cancelled. Then this becomes 1500 divided by 45. Then which is nothing but 100 divided by 3 radians per second. This is the omega. And since the vehicles is brought to rest in 15 seconds, then we can find the angular acceleration that is equal to omega, that is by t, 100 divided by 3 into 15 seconds means divided by 15. Then we get the answer. Here is 15, 5 3 times and 5 20 times. This becomes 20 by 9. This becomes 20 by 9 radians per second square. Then we need to find the torque here. We know that the torque is equal to moment of inertia into its angular acceleration. Then this becomes 3. Moment of inertia is 3 kg meter square. 3 into 20 divided by 9. Then 3 one time and 3 three times. That is 20 divided by 3, which is nothing but 20 divided by 3, which is nothing but 6.66 kg meter square per second square. Then option B is the right answer.